Yeah, I would like to ask a question.
Go ahead.
I have filed for my children.
Right.
And one of my daughter's boyfriend, he is a citizen in America here. And my daughter is in Africa.
And I understand now. I had it backwards. Yes, he can invite her here to marry her. He would have to file a fiancé visa for her.
Oh, okay. The boyfriend can invite her.
I thought you wanted to invite the boyfriend to come here. That's why I didn't understand what was going on.
No.
You can have two different applications going at the same time. One by you and one by the boyfriend, but the boyfriend's not going to get her a visitor's visa. Okay? She's not going to be able to walk into the U.S. Embassy and get a visitor's visa. They will not give it to her, I guarantee you, because you've already filed for her. But what the boyfriend can do is the boyfriend can file a fiancé visa for her and let her come over here in 6 to 9 months to marry him and get her green card here.
And what is the application form number?
I-129F.
I-129F.
F. F is in Frank, or fiancé.
Oh, okay, fiancé,
right.
Okay.
All right.
I-129.
Correct.
So she's going to file as fiancé, right?
Fiancé, correct.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. I haven't done that, by the way. I just...
Brad?
Yes, you got me.
Yes. I have a question for you.
Yes.
My mother, she reached retirement age?
Can your mother, what?
My mother is 17-year-old. So she reached retirement age and she's retired, not working now. Okay. Can she file for his sons and daughters?
Absolutely. Just because you're retired doesn't mean you can't file for somebody anymore. But just when it comes time to doing the affidavit of support, if she's retired and she doesn't have a large asset base like Donald Trump, then she would need a second affidavit of support from somebody else.
Oh, okay.
That's all. But she can absolutely file. Just know that you'll probably need a second affidavit of support.
Right. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Good luck with that.
All right, no problem.
I'm calling about
Take your time.
That I want for interview for my citizenship.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening. You went for an interview on your citizenship, and?
Yeah. So since on November 2nd, and then I have this in the congratulation letter that passed the English test, and then they give me the congratulation that they will mail it to me where I'm going to take the off ceremony. So up to now, this is by 3 months now. I didn't hear from them. Then I called.
Right.
And then they tell me the screen print 3 days ago. And then they tell me that my case is still reviewed. So
then you need to come to then you need to come to see me if your case is still in review. That means you had a problem at your interview, that you did not, that maybe you passed the English portion of the interview, but maybe there's other issues with your citizenship. So I would suggest you come and see me then if it's still under review.
Okay.
All right. Let me give you the number. 1-800.
Because
Is he done?
I'm going to hear the decision between 90 days.
Right. Okay. Well, you have two choices. You can wait 90 days and see what happens. You can come see me beforehand. That's up to you. But the reality is, when your case is under review, that means they have an issue with giving you your citizenship. Now, whether that issue is resolved in your favor or not, I don't know. I don't even know what the issue is. When they give you the congratulations letter is you know how to speak and read English. But that's only one portion of the citizenship.
I have a question for Brad.
Yes.
Yeah. My son came here when he was under 18.
Mm-hmm.
But he had some running with the law.
He had what?
Some running with the law.
Okay. So,
and now he want to become a citizen.
okay, what was the running with the law? What was the conviction, if there was one?
Well, he went back onto the island on probation, and he just went when he came back, he had to do some time in prison.
Yeah, but what did he do?
No, he was in jail for beating up his girlfriend with some marijuana, and he was on probation, and his mom died, and he went back to the island, and then he came back, and when he came back, he got arrested again.
All right. Well,
but now his
pretty much
got expired, and now he want to become a citizen.
He needs
to bring those dispositions in because we need to see his rap sheet.
Right. And
You need to see the rap sheet?
what I need is his
Well,
dispositions.
we need to see the dispositions.
I need to see his dispositions, and I need his green card. Those are the two things I need.
Yep.
Then all will be
So
known.
he can't go down to the immigration office and get in. Even if I go with him.
No. Hold
His
up.
old green card.
All he's got to do is this: go back to the jurisdiction of where the court is that he got arrested. Ask for the disposition. Pay a small fee.
It's $8.
$8. Okay, it's well under $10, and just bring it into Brad
Bring it in
Bernstein.
with his old green card.
Right. And Brad will go over everything and tell you what's what can be done, what can't be done, what should be done, what will be done.
What I'm looking at is two things, just so you know. I'm looking at one, is he a deportable alien?
Mm-hmm.
Two, is he eligible for citizenship? If he's not eligible for citizenship and he's deportable, we're not doing his citizenship, because why would you bring? Why would you?
At least you'll be.
Whoa! Why? Whoa!
So when he came here,
I said, hear me out 1 second. If he's deportable and not eligible for citizenship, why would we file a citizenship? It would be like bringing you to your executioner.
Right.
Okay. Now, if he's deportable but also eligible for his citizenship, then you got to weigh, and this is really where a good lawyer comes into play.
Mm-hmm.
You have to weigh what is the probability of becoming a citizen versus the probability of getting deported. The higher the probability of citizenship, the lower of probability of deportation. Logically, he'll become a citizen. The higher probability of deportation, more, even though he's eligible for citizenship, logically then immigration will say, wow, 9 out of 10, we're going to get this guy deported. We're going to deny his citizenship and put him in deportation. So you have to weigh those possibilities, probabilities, think 1-2 steps ahead, and I can't do any of that without seeing the dispositions and without seeing his green card, because I have to know the exact day that he got his green card, and I have to see the exact sections of law that he was found guilty of, and I have to see when he committed those crimes that he was found guilty of, and that all gets put into my formula to determine whether or not to do the citizenship. And you can only do that by looking at the old green card and the dispositions.
Here's what you should do with your son, all right?
Right.
You pick him up and you bring him in to see Brad Bernstein. The guy's been arrested multiple times on multiple charges. Bring him in, have him sit down with Brad Bernstein and go over what needs to be done. It's a consultation fee. It will save you a lot of pain. I promise you that, all right? And the conversation is done, man. And I'm being very straightforward because I don't want to get it convoluted, and then you end up going down, or go down to see immigration officer. Next thing he's being deported and all of that. Just come in and see Brad. Spend a consultation fee. It's worth it. All right. We'll talk again soon. Call this number 1-800-522-0804. That's 1-800-522-0804.